This is a good sign. There's no sound. Oh, there it is. They remain silent until they speak, and when they do, it astonishes everyone. At the starting point of your restaurant career, aim to build a 5-star restaurant. Achieve a 5-star restaurant rating. There are large open spaces waiting for you to create freely. This level includes a tutorial. Wow, new friend, welcome to PurrPlate. Clueless about this place? Come, tap this button to see. Which button? The question mark? Okay. This is not helpful to me. Like, the set of pictures. Also the numbers being... Oh my god, this whole thing. You can fly freely as you wish. Just press WASD to control direction. Scroll the mouse wheel to fly higher. Try clicking anything in the world. Remember, we're a restaurant with superb service. You must seat customers to serve them. Now, tap the building button below to construct a dining table. Hover over 4 circular icons at the bottom to see their functions. Now click Edit Building. Construct a dining table. Okay, where? Just here somewhere? Stump table. Our menu has nothing at all. This is terrible. Go to the menu page and add some menu. Add to menu some dishes. Customers have arrived, but your staff don't know what to do yet. Tap the building in the scene to assign staff. To assign tasks, you must first select a target location. Now press left mouse button while pointing at the kitchen or reception. Then choose a staff member from the plus icon that pops up. Short on pause, time to recruit new cats, but don't forget to build a meow dorm for them first. Free beds available. Find a cat to move in. Tap the staff button and hire a new staff member. I think we're gonna go with teabag. Oh, nope. Oh, he has double the speed, but his efficiency is better. But double the speed. Oh, okay. So we already have teabag. I was misunderstanding that. Oh no, our supplies are running low. Quickly assemble an expedition team to go exploring. Don't forget to pitch tents first. Alright. Everything's bouncing. The canvas at the A-frame tent is covered in cat paw prints. Folded maps and compasses always lie scattered on the wooden crate. And night winds make the flag ropes jingle like wind chimes. Okay. Great. Can everything please stop? I'm going rogue. I'm gonna start doing my own thing. God damn it. Can I put more tables down? What does that mean? Your expedition approached this shrub and found its growth astonishing. Dense branches intertwined to form an impenetrable barrier. Scattered on protruding twigs of this barrier hung brightly colored strange berries. Pick all the berries? Better not touch randomly. Let's pick all the berries. A team member plucked a berry. A strange, meaty aroma instantly wafted from its stem. Without hesitation, they quickly gathered all the fruits into their bags. After finishing this task, they headed off to other interesting places. Team inspected thoroughly. Core Institute components survived well, but overall repair costs remained steep. Okay. Approaching the gap, the team spotted a building resembling a giant mushroom standing on a nearby hillock. God. We periodically assess average satisfaction of customers toward our restaurant and rate it accordingly. That is to say, if the restaurant performs poorly, it can get downgraded. Of course, our standards are too strict, plus customer expectations rise as restaurant levels increase. So, downgrade isn't necessarily bad, just take it seriously. Finally, announcing operation subsidies for new stores, claimable upon reaching level 2. That's settled. Wish you prosperity. Bye-bye. But I can't change the menu because there's nothing else. Whatever. Upon reaching this hilltop, the team was instantly enveloped in the fresh scent of vegetables. Dewdrops still clung to the lush, tender cat grass, glistening enticingly under the sunlight. Oh, that costs money. Oh, that sucks. The team approached a strange mushroom house, pondering what to do next. I think we just approach it. A team member bravely stepped forward to knock, attempting to call the owner of this peculiar house. Jesus. As the knocking echoed, the mushroom spots on the wooden door suddenly swayed rhythmically. They turned out to be doorbells. When the plumpest bell began swinging, the door opened. Welcome to my meatball lab, a chubby cat wearing goggles with a skewer of grilled meat dangling from his mouth addressed the team. I'm Kwee, the meat lover. Folks call me the meatball. Ha. And wouldn't you know it, my job is researching meatball berries. What a coincidence, huh? The team members explained their purpose, and Meatball's enthusiastic gaze grew even more fervent. The restaurant at the foot of the mountain? We really are fated to meet. You love meat, right? Every cat here adores it. And my new creation needs a bigger stage for testing. Meatball rummaged around. Through his bulk, the team glimpsed paper-stuffed cabinets and magical shrubs. This is it. My meatball berry samples. Your chefs will make amazing dishes. As the team packed their samples to leave, Meatball poked its head out from the mushroom house, a meatball skewer in its mouth. Wait, please tell your boss, 2 miles to the southeast lies my abandoned experimental base. If you can restore it, it pauses. Juice is dripping down the skewer. Oh. It pauses. Juice is dripping down the skewer. I'll hand over my lifelong research on meatball tree grafting techniques. Before the wooden door closed, that greasy promise drifted into the twilight. We came because of customer complaints. Many customers have complained. You actually failed to provide sufficient head pats for dining customers. Moreover, according to our covert observations, the number of head pats your staff received is also pitifully low. Well, I was not instructed to head pat. Hence, your association sentenced you to pat 30 cat heads. But punishment isn't the goal. If you promptly make up for your negligence, for your neglecting the cats, we'll give appropriate rewards too. That's settled. Remember, never ignore cats again. Give them pets. I made him disappear. The team approached this dilapidated building. As previously observed, a great fire had destroyed this place. Charred beams lay scattered around cracked walls, with several meatball berries stubbornly growing in the crevices. Despite the time passed, a faint aroma of roasted meat still lingered in the air. Team inspected thoroughly. Oh, I can't afford it. I don't like that you can have someone sit at a single customer sit at a two top. I thought that it would force two to sit together. Oh, are you gonna sit there? Oh, yeah. Oh, we're getting too busy now. Oh my god, we're getting way too busy. You just abandon your friend? Wild catgrass field thriving luxuriantly? Dewdrops rolling off leaves make sprouts nod gently. Team filled 2 baskets and stopped. Remaining sprouts may grow by next visit. I wish I could see what I had them assigned to here. I think it's a little too difficult to manage the staff this way. I want to be able to reassign what they're doing from this menu. Because, like, I mean, not that it matters right now. Like, I'm not level 2. But I want to be... Oh, maybe I can? I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have 3 customers walk out at the same time. Just one. I think we build another kitchen. And we... can't remove green from that. I just have to hire another... Oh! He discovered this extraordinarily live place and kept wondering why they hadn't noticed it before. Several old cats wearing straw hats gathered in this clearing, selling fresh produce laid out on a white cloth before them. Many small animals from nearby came to browse one after another, and soon the entire clearing is filled with meowing and purring, bustling with excitement. "Hey, you kittens over there," an old farmer called out to the team. "New faces, huh? Just moved here? Here, these berries are gifts. Come support us locals next time. Meow." "Thanks very much." The team thanked the old cat and returned with a basket of fresh fruits. I'm almost out of food. The team arrived at this inconspicuous cabin, its walls cracked by time. Clumps of wild grass swayed gently in the nearby abandoned field with the breeze. Visitors, how rare. An old cat with a cane noticed the team and shuffled outside. Hungry? Care to join me for a bite? He gestured invitingly toward the house. Well, nothing bad has happened so far, so let's go in. Though old, the cottage was impeccably tidy. The elder seated the team at the table and then served cat grass woven like a blanket. Catching its alluring scent, they recognized its culinary potential and secretly sketched it. No need for that, kiddos, the elder chuckled at their furtive glances. Just asked for the recipe. It's my late wife's signature dish. Glad to pass it on. Oh my god, my rating is gone. It's gone because we're sold out and we're closed. By candlelight, the elder vividly recounted winning the planting competition, yet when mentioning deceased family, it gloomily stroked a photo frame with paw pads. Finally, it solemnly handed over a yellowed booklet with a withered begonia climbing to its cover. Tender cat grass pan-fried into blanket shapes interwoven to create a vibrant emerald meadow. Take a look, the tender sprouts are peeking out from the soil. The kitty patrol the fields, constantly eager, awaiting the new day Mother Earth brings forth new life. If the restaurant's closed, what's going on? Well, I guess we're done here because I don't have any more food. Let's go to the market and see if we can do anything there. How am I supposed to collect food? What? Did I miss that part of the tutorial? Well, I'm done. I'm over it. I ran out of food. I didn't explore right. I don't know. Ugh.